Imagine logging into your Zoo app, ready to claim your tokens, only to realize you've entered the wrong wallet details. Your tokens are gone. Forever. The countdown has begun. In just a few days, on February 25th, 2025, Zoo tokens will officially be listed on Bitget and others. But here's the catch. If you don't claim your tokens before the listing, you could miss out on a massive opportunity. Sounds terrifying, right? But don't worry. Today, I'm walking you through the exact process to safely link your Bitget wallet to the Zoo app on Telegram, so you don't lose a single token. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to stay ahead in the world of crypto and Web3, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We simplify complex crypto processes into easy-to-follow steps, so you never miss an opportunity. All right, let's get started. And stay with me until the end because I'll reveal one hidden setting in Bitget that could save you from a major headache. Step 1. Opening the Zoo app and selecting Bitget. First, open the Zoo app on Telegram. As soon as you enter, you'll see a list of available wallets. From this list, select Bitget. This is where your Zoo tokens will be stored. Now, you'll notice two blank fields, UID and Zoo Address. These are the details we need to fill in, but be careful, one small mistake here, and your tokens could end up in the wrong wallet or lost forever. Before we enter anything, we need to get the correct information from Bitget. Let's do that now. Step 2. Retrieving your Zoo address from Bitget. Now let's open the Bitget wallet. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the deposit option. Click on it. In the search bar, type Zoo and select it. Here's something important. The network type will be auto-selected as TON network. You don't need to change this. Now, copy the Zoo address displayed on Bitget. But wait, before we paste this into the Zoo app, there's another crucial detail we need from Bitget, and missing it could mean your tokens won't be linked correctly. Step 3. Entering the correct information in Zoo app. Now that we have our Zoo address, let's head back to the Zoo app on Telegram. In the field labeled Zoo address, paste the copied address from Bitget. But we're not done yet. We still need the UID. Without this, your account won't sync properly. Step 4. Retrieving and entering your Bitget UID. Now, let's head back to Bitget one more time. On the right side of the screen, you'll see your UID. This is your unique user identification number. Copy it. Now, return to the Zoo app on Telegram and paste the UID into the corresponding field. Once that's done, double-check both entries. This is the moment where one typo could lead to a world of trouble. Now, here's the part most people forget, and it could mean the difference between a smooth transaction and a complete disaster. Step 5. Final verification and confirmation. Before you hit confirm, take 10 extra seconds to review your details. Check that your Zoo address and UID match exactly what you copied from Bitget. If you confirm with the wrong details, there's no undo button. Once you're 100% sure, hit confirm. Congratulations! You've now successfully linked your Bitget wallet to Zoo app. And just like that, you're all set. But remember, simply linking your wallet isn't enough. The next step is knowing how to withdraw, trade, and maximize your Zoo tokens for future gains. That's why I've just uploaded another video explaining how to stake your Zoo tokens for passive income and avoid common withdrawal mistakes. Click on the video on the screen right now to watch it. Before you go, smash that like button, drop a comment below if you successfully linked your wallet, and if you ran into any issues, let's solve them together in the comments. And most importantly, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest crypto strategies and hidden opportunities. Alright, that's it for today. Stay smart, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.